Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can create a group chat on Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger allows you to create groups so that you can send a message to more than one friend on Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's see how to create a group chat on Facebook Messenger. First of all, open Messenger application. And then here you click on plus icon at the bottom right corner. After that, here you click on create a new group. Then here you select the people you want to add on the new group. So here I have chosen like 3 people. After that, here you click on start group chat. Now your group has been created successfully. Now all the members of the group can give audio or video call, send any photo, videos, send emojis and send any messages. Now if you give a name of this group or if you change the group photo, then here you click on eye icon at the top right corner. After that, click on 3 dots at the top right corner. Then if you change the group name, then click on change group name option. And if you change the group photo, then click on change group photo option. If you do not want to be in this group, somehow you can leave this group from here. You need to tap leave option from here. So by this process, you can create a group on Messenger. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.